This week you're going to get 6 videos, and we've added an extra video with Fab Fit Fun. They've sponsored this video, but the opinions and the impressions are strictly our own. I'm sure the impressions, especially from Zeb, are going to be good.
I have no idea about this box or what's in it.
So Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box that comes out 4 times a year. It's $49.99 a box, but it has over $200 worth of product in it. And if you use the code JamiRay, we'll link that down below, you can save $10 off your first box. And I thought it'd be fun if we played Jami opens the box and Zeb tells me what he thinks it's for.
All right, let's get started.
They also work with charities. This box is in support of women's Alzheimer's movement. The thing I like about getting a Fab Fit Fun box is that I get to pick out some of the things, but some of the things I don't get to pick out. And it's a good idea to try some things without having to pay full price. All
right, so it looks like they have a quarterly magazine here.
I'm sure that Zeb this will be reading material for you, right?
Sure. All right, now there also looks like there's samples. What is this?
$100 off a purple mattress and a sample of what it's like. Eliza can use this for her dolls.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Oh, here's a code for another discount code off a box.
Okay.
$30 off of Sterling Forever.
All right, now we're into it.
All right, you open it. Now I did get to pick some of the stuff out, but there's a few things I didn't, so I don't know what everything's in here.
Man, this looks like I won't have to go Christmas shopping for you. I can fill your stocking from this box.
That is not what this is. However, if you need something for Christmas, tell your husband, like $40 with your discount code, and you get a whole box of stuff. Christmas done. Already in a box. You could just put a bow on it.
So this looks like it's Dead Sea salt, natural Dead Sea bath salts for soaking in, I suppose. Is that something you picked out, or is that a surprise?
It's been so long I can't remember, but the Dead Sea salt is awesome because after working out, I like to soak, so that's good.
So
this is one for them.
This is what I need, you know? This is for the Detangler, the Prep Rally Detangler.
Maybe for your detangling of your eyebrows.
Oh man, my eyebrows are getting unruly, so, you know.
Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. It says it's got biotins, vitamin B and C, and UV blockers. Mist generously on damp hair and brush through before blow drying.
That's what I need.
This little bottle will last me a long time because I blow dry my hair like once a week. That's awesome. I don't have any of that. Okay, next.
All right, so next we have, I don't even know how to say that. Cuccio, Calm and Clean. It's Epsom salt hand body wash.
Hand and body wash. Let me smell it.
Yeah, what's it smell like?
That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to smell this stuff.
Oh, well, let me see.
Oh, it's very like relaxing.
It smells like a clean smell, almost like soap.
It smells like it has essential oils in it. Does it have essential oils in it? Oh, it's got lavender. I love lavender. I was going to smell this one, but I can't get it open, so I'll do that later.
Okay, a makeup eraser. What? That's what I've always needed.
No, that's awesome because my girls will always take my wipes to like clean out underneath their eyes, and that'll get their mascara off.
Oh, I saw one of these at Pinners Conference.
Oh yeah. So instead of having to buy makeup wipes or use like a makeup remover, you just have this and it just takes your makeup off.
So this is like one of those in the movies where you just like and wipe your whole face off and you're a completely different person.
Yeah, I'd show you guys, but nobody wants to see this without makeup. It's actually really soft. That's awesome.
Oh, this is kind of fun.
What is that?
It's a little little necklace, looks like.
Oh, nice.
Is this something you picked? You picked this one out?
It's a Stack and Sparkle.
From Adore?
It's from Bloomingdale's. I've never shopped at Bloomingdale's in my life.
So Adore jewelry.
Now I can say I have the necklace from Bloomingdale's. Here, I gotta try it on.
Okay, do it.
I'll try it on. You check out the next thing.
Okay, proof is in the pudding. Eyeshadow palette.
Ooh, I like makeup.
I think you wanted me on here just to see how I would react to all this stuff, because this is the kind of thing that I do not go shopping with Jami for. This is not picking and junking.
This is purely for entertainment value that you're on here, yes.
So that looks like
this is not a necklace, it's a bracelet.
Is this a surprise? The eyeshadow palette.
I don't remember. I should probably remember those kinds of things, but I don't because I don't have a lot of room in my brain. But I like it. Let me see the colors. I didn't even see the colors. Hold on.
They've got a very fall.
Oh, like lots of neutrals. That's good for me.
And it's all shimmery.
You know me. Well, that's awesome because I normally spend like $60 or $70 Don't look at me like that. I usually spend
What?
$60 or $70 on my palettes, so that
Okay.
right there, done. Okay, now I
You know who you're gonna have a hard time keeping all of this from is
my
Odelia.
girls. Well, I've had the box for...
Oh, that's a bracelet.
Yeah, it's a bracelet. I've had the box for a minute, and they've been trying to get into it, and I'm like, nope, it's mine. Okay, next.
All right, so we have the Unhide for Love Not Fur.
Oh, so it's like fur, only it's not fur.
Faux fur.
You know who's gonna want that? The little boys.
Yeah, they're always hauling around their little snuggly blankets.
It says it's fluffy, furry, friendly, and fresh, and faux. All F words.
If I can get the sticker off over here.
Do you need help?
It's got tape. No, I think I can get it.
It's a package that cannot open.
Well, I might just rip into it. I was gonna try to open it neatly, but now it's getting ripped. It's really wrapped tight. There we go. Oh, it was pretty packaging and now it's ripped.
And a little bit of the faux fur is stuck to the...
Man, it is dense. Like this is probably like a full-size blanket.
I don't know, does it give dimensions on there?
I didn't see any.
Oh, it's soft.
It is soft.
That's nice because it's
It's
gonna
50
seal.
by 60 inches, 100% polymer.
Oh, that's
no,
big.
100% polyester.
And it's a proud supporter of the Humane Society of the United States. No animals were harmed. Ooh, it is pretty luxurious. I'm feeling all kinds of luxurious in here. Ooh, more fake fur.
All right, so we have slippers from PJ Salvage, Live Cozy.
Well, I think I'm probably set for the day now. I can take a bath, snuggle up, and wear my slippers.
This is like pre-Christmas for you.
Yeah, you still have to
Now
buy
these
them.
slippers look like they're actually pretty soft.
Truthfully, we don't really buy a lot for each other for Christmas, so this is kind of a fun treat. They need to have a Fab Fit Fun for dudes.
Yeah, put all like the knife making tools in that box for me.
All right, where's the little... Okay, I'm gonna try these out. Well, hold on.
They do look, they've got a really nice foam pad on the bottom.
Zeb wears his slippies all winter.
I wear slippers in the winter, I do, especially when I'm in the
slippers.
house, because what'll happen is we get a lot of snow and I'll come in, I'll take my shoes off and then I'll put some slippers on. And every now and then I end up in the garage in my slippers.
All right, I'm good.
Can you get your leg up here to show them?
Hold on.
Nice.
There we go.
You got it.
Now the question is, can I get my leg back down?
Here, we'll help you.
That's attached. Thanks to Fab Fit Fun for sponsoring this video. All the funds are going to go directly into the farmhouse budget.
I feel like this really gets me off the hook on a lot of things because essentially this is what I would probably get you for Christmas and put it in your stocking, and now we already have all the stuff.
Christmas came early. If you guys are interested in getting this box, we're going to drop the link down below for FabFitFun and the code JamieRay, and you can save $10. This box is $49.99, but with the code, it makes it $39.99, which I feel like is a great deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and a little bit of comic relief from Zeb. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this box, and subscribe to Jamie Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.